Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing okay in these difficult times. These are really testing times, but life has to go on. So without further ado, thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for liking my videos. I hope I can continue to bring such unboxing and review videos in the future as well. So the topic for today's review is a torque wrench drive. So probably for folks who generally do DIYs with their cars, bikes and other stuff which require the use of a wrench, would be familiar with the torque wrench. Now the major concern, at least in India, is the price of the torque wrench. Generally the ones that you'll find on Amazon are either imported, which generally cost above 9,000 or maybe more, or even the Stanley one that was there in Amazon was around the same price mark, around 8 to 9,000 rupees. Now suddenly, day before yesterday, I stumbled upon the Amazon Basics half-inch torque wrench drive with a torque range of like 20 to 150 feet-pound, or 27.1 to 203.5 Newton meters of torque, which is a quite big range for a torque wrench. And the killer part was the price. It just costs 1,749 rupees only. Yes friends, it's way less than even 2,000 rupees. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open it. So friends, as you can see, it's clearly written, it's a Amazon Basics half-inch drive click wrench. The price or the MRP mentioned is rupees 2,900. So yep, you get a good discount, around 40% when you purchase this. And the manufacturing year is also from 2020. It's Jan 2020, and obviously country of origin is China, so it's made in China. I hope it doesn't have COVID. I'm just joking. So let's go ahead and open it. So let's use a weight machine so that we can find out what's the actual weight of this. So I believe you can see it's right now at 0. So with the box, it's around the 1.836 mark, or 1.86 kgs of weight. So here we'll start the unboxing. As you can see, it comes in pretty good packaging. You have a pretty thick slice of thermocol, and then the actual wrench comes inside box, and we do have a manual as well. So the box itself is like pretty good. As you can see, it's pretty sturdy, it doesn't bend much. So let's see the weight of just the box. Yeah, it's, as you can see, it's 1601 grams, that is 1.6 kgs to be precise. So let's go ahead and take the wrench out. Whoa, friends, this is huge. This is really huge. You can see, the build quality is pretty solid. You can feel it once you take it in your hand, but it's really solid. So I'm not sure if you can see here. You have your measurements. This is the torque measurements in Newton meters. There's an M, and on this side you have foot pounds. So you can choose whichever gauge you want to, but the major problem with the Newton meters is it's in fractions, because the base is for foot pounds, so converting it to Newton meter would always make it in fractions. Like for an example, it starts from 40.7. So I mean, you just have to make do. There's nothing much that can do about it, but yeah. And other than that, I mean, the quality is top notch. The build seems to be top notch. It's like really heavy. So just the wrench itself weighs a good 1 2 3 4 kilos, that is 1.34 kgs. So that way, yes, it's pretty heavy. I mean, comparable, I don't have another torque wrench to compare, but overall the feel, the build quality seems to be solid. There's no like vibrating parts or something. I mean, you can see the joints are solid. This obviously is meant to go around, so there will be some vibrations from this part because this is a moving part. Other than that, as you can see, this part is solid. I mean, you need to put in some effort to turn it. It's not like it will turn just like that, it will not. So this is a nut using which you can like smoothen it out a bit, and then once you have set it at the correct reading, you just tighten it up. So overall, I feel for the price, it's like a very good investment. I mean, I don't think you'll ever find a torque wrench at this price, to be honest. So I would highly recommend, I mean, if someone needs a torque wrench with these torque specifications, go out friends and get yourself one from Amazon. Their Amazon Basics torque wrench is like, product quality is very good. I'll be able to provide more feedback once I actively start using it. I mean, I cannot easily measure its accuracy because it needs a clamp and quite a lot of other things. I mean, I do have several of the things, but I don't have the clamp, so I'm not able to measure the accuracy. But I hope, being a product from a reputed company, it should be good. So that's all for this video, friends. If you have any questions or queries regarding the product, do mention in the comments. Do like the video if you like the content, and do subscribe to my channel. This will inspire me to make such videos in the future. And thank you, and have a great day, guys. Goodbye.